Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a current backup and WP-CLI, or a reliable search-replace plugin installed. First, make sure your WordPress address and site address both use HTTPS. Once done, put the site in maintenance mode to prevent changes while you work. Next, export or snapshot the database so you can restore if something breaks. Finally, clear any object cache and note the media table name, because you'll target those rows next when replacing image URLs. Now you perform the replacement. Use WP-CLI search replace with the precise and recurse objects flags or a serialized safe plugin to change http://your domain to https://your domain. Focus on WP posts. GUID and post content to update image SRC and attachment records. You may also update WP post meta if a plugin stores URLs there. Once the command runs, review a handful of posts to confirm markup is intact. If you see broken serialization, stop and finish by clearing all caches, WordPress caching plugin, CDN, and your browser cache, then reload pages to verify HTTPS images. Use the browser inspector to find any mixed content warnings and update any remaining HTTP links in widgets, theme files, or hard-coded CSS. Make sure to regenerate any image sizes if necessary. If images remain broken or you detect database corruption, restore the backup. Rerun the serialized safe replacement with a different method, and test on staging before repeating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.